Do you ever check your bank account and it's the same number every single month? Like, no matter how hard you work, no matter how many hours you put in, it just doesn't move. No savings, no investments, just paycheck to paycheck. And then you go on social media and you see people talking about making money in their sleep. And you're sitting there thinking, bro, how? Yeah, if that's you, this video is about to change how you see money forever. Look, let me say something that might sound a bit harsh. Most people will never build passive income, not because it's hard, but because they think it requires money, connections, or some crazy talent. It doesn't. We are living in the first time in history where AI has made passive income accessible to literally anyone with a phone and internet. And yet, people are still broke. Why? Because they don't take action. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 10 passive income streams you can build using AI and raise capital to begin your trading journey. Not theory. Not hype. Not random side hustles. Real things that people are already making money from. Right now. Strategic income streams designed to generate consistent cash compound your trading account. Give you leverage in the markets, and I'm going to break it down with actual numbers. So you understand how this can realistically work for you, especially for those who are looking to raise capital for their trading journey and be financially free. Let's get into it. 1. AI YouTube automation channels. Look, you don't need to show your face anymore. AI can now write your scripts, generate voiceovers, edit videos, create thumbnails. You just manage the system. There are thousands of people already doing this and even own 4 to 5 channels. Here's the math. Let's say you create a channel that gets 100,000 views per month. Average CPM? Around $3 to $10. So, low end, $300 per month. High end, $1,000 per month. Now imagine you run 5 channels. That's $1,500 to $5,000 per month. Passive. This is where it gets really interesting. Once the videos are up, they keep paying you. 2. AI-generated ebooks. People underestimate this one. You can use AI to write ebooks, design covers, upload to Amazon Kindle. Done. Let's say your ebook sells for $9.99. You get about $7 per sale. If you sell just 5 copies a day, 5 times $7 equals $35 per day. That's about $1,050 per month from one book. Now imagine 10 books. 3. AI print-on-demand stores. AI can create t-shirt designs, hoodies, posters. You upload them to platforms like Shopify or Etsy. No inventory, no shipping. Let's say you make $10 profit per sale. If you sell 10 items a day, that's $100 per day, $3,000 per month. And yes, people are already making money from this. 4. AI social media. Theme pages. Look, those Instagram pages you follow? Motivation pages. Finance pages. Quotes pages. Most of them are automated. AI creates posts, captions, content ideas. You grow the page, then monetize with brand deals, affiliate links, digital products. Even a small page with 50,000 followers can make $500 to $2,000 per month. 5. Forex trading. Now, this one is powerful if done right. Forex trading is not passive at the beginning, let's be clear. But once you understand the system, or you follow structured guidance, it becomes semi-passive. Here's what people get wrong. They try to do everything alone. That's why they lose. This is exactly why I built my trading community. Inside my Telegram, I share trading signals, market updates, entry and exit breakdowns, real-time opportunities. So instead of guessing, you're following a structured system. Now let's talk numbers. If you grow a $500 account at just 5% per week, week 1, $525. Week 4, approximately $607. Week 12, approximately $900 plus. And that's conservative. This is where it gets really interesting. Compounding turns small gains into serious money over time. But if you do not have a single dime and you still want to raise some capital, well, let us look at number 6. At number 6, we have AI affiliate marketing websites. AI can build entire blogs now. You write articles targeting keywords. Add affiliate links. Example, you promote a product that pays $20 commission, and with something we call programmatic SEO, you can do a whole lot more. If your site gets 50 sales per month, that's $1,000 per month. 7. AI course creation. Look, if you know anything, literally anything, you can sell it. AI helps you structure the course, write scripts, create slides, upload to platforms like Gumroad or Teachable, sell it for $50. If you sell 20 copies per month, that's $1,000 per month. 8. AI stock content creation. You can use AI to generate images, videos, music upload to stock platforms like Freepik, Envato, Adobe Stock Photos, and so on. Every download equals money. Let's say you earn $1 per download. If you get 20 downloads a day, that's $600 per month from content you made once. 9. AI SaaS tools. No code. This is more advanced, but powerful. You can create simple AI tools like resume generators, caption generators, logo makers, file compression platforms, charge $5 to $10 per month. With as little as 100 users a month, that's $1,000 per month recurring. 10. AI email newsletters. This one is underrated. AI helps you. Write daily emails. Curate content. You grow a list. Then monetize with sponsorships, affiliate links. Even a small list of 5,000 people can make $500 to $2,000 per month. Now look, you might be thinking, this sounds good, but I don't know where to start. And that right there, that's the real problem. Not lack of opportunity, lack of action, because here's what most people do. They watch videos like this, get excited, and then do nothing. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one that you actually commit to, because passive income is not passive at the beginning. It's front-loaded work for back-end freedom. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't plant 100 seeds and water none. You plant a few and nurture them. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one income stream from this video, just one, and go all in for the next 30 days. No distractions, no excuses, because the difference between people who win and people who stay stuck is simple. Execution. If you got value from this, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which income stream you're starting. And if you want to tap into Forex trading the smart way, join my Telegram community where I share signals, strategies, and real-time updates. I'll see you inside. Now go build something that pays you even when you sleep.